Pullback strategy. Greetings and welcome to our trading analysis for today's session. In this session, our advanced algorithmic trading system executed a strategic trade using the pullback strategy, focused on AVTR Incorporated, AVTR. Today, we will provide you with a comprehensive examination of this specific trade, offering valuable insights. At precisely 10:37 a.m., our algorithmic trading system identified a potential price rally in AVTR through the pullback strategy. As a result, a buy order for AVTR shares was initiated at $21.89. Let's take a closer look at the 1-minute chart for a detailed perspective. A few minutes after entering the position, the price surged to $22.29, aligning perfectly with our expectations. Continuously monitoring AVTR's price action, our algorithmic system detected the fading rally at 10:58 a.m. Consequently, all positions were strategically exited at $22.17 per share, yielding a gain of 1.31%. Remarkably, the price of NVAX experienced a sharp decline immediately after the Algo trade system exited the position. Shifting our focus to AVTR's end-of-day performance, the stock settled at $21.02, significantly below our predetermined exit price. Thank you for joining us on this insightful trading journey. Stay tuned for more analytical updates and strategic insights. Happy trading!